Let's download the Windows file. You do not need to download the bootable software, it comes along with the Windows file.
Thousand years later.
After downloading the file, go to your downloads and open the file and open Rufus. Insert the USB device, it will automatically pop up in Device section. Click Select to locate your Windows file that you have downloaded. Click Partition Scheme and change it to MBR. And click Start to make your USB device bootable. It will take around 10 minutes to complete depending on your computer. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and let me know what video should I make next.